Dear students, in this video too, we are studying Coordination Compounds Chapter 9, NCERT Class 12th. This video is very much important for the board preparation and JEE examination. Here few more definitions available in our book. That is, first is coordination number. The coordination number of a metal ion in a complex can be defined as the number of ligand donor atoms to which the metal is directly bonded. For example, PTCl6 and NiNH3 whole 4, the number of coordination of PT is 6, whereas Ni is 4. Oxalate ion and ethane 1,2-diamine both are didentate ligands. Therefore, here coordination number 6, but number of molecules is only 3. Coordination number of the central atom ion is determined only by the number of sigma bonds found by the ligand with the central atom ion. Pi bonds, if formed between the ligand and the central atom, are not counted for this purpose. Next is coordination sphere. The central atom or ion and the ligands attached to it are enclosed in square bracket and is collectively termed as the coordination sphere. The ionizable groups are written outside the bracket and called counter ions. In case of K4FeCN6, the coordination sphere is FeCN6 and counter ion is K+. Next is coordination polyhedron. Spatial arrangement of the ligand atoms which are directly attached to the central atom or ion defines a coordination polyhedron about the central atom. The most common coordination polyhedra are octahedral, see this, tetrahedral and square planar for coordination number 6 and 4 respectively. Oxidation number of central atom in a complex is defined as the charge it would carry if all the ligands are removed along with the electron pairs that are shared with the central atom. Already studied how oxidation number can be calculated in class 11, and here we write it as Roman numeral. For example, copper plus iron can be written as copper parenthesis 1. Next is homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes. Complexes in which metal is bound only one kind of donor groups. For example, CONH3 whole 6 are known as homoleptic. All molecules are same. Complexes in which metal is bounded to more than one kind of donor groups, for example CONH3 whole 4 Cl2, are known as heteroleptic. यहाँ पर हेट्रोलेप्टिक में डिफरेंट लिगेंड्स अपीयर होते हैं. Nomenclature of coordination compounds. The formulas and names adopted for coordination entities are based on the recommendation of IUPAC. Formulas of mononuclear coordination entities. It is very important. Mononuclear coordination entities contain a single central metal atom or ion. Steps to write formula. The central atom is listed first. The ligands are then listed in alphabetical order like that: A, B, C, D. The ligand in the list does not depend on its charge. Polydentate ligands are also listed alphabetically. In case of abbreviated ligand, the first letter of abbreviation is used to determine the position of the ligand in alphabetical order, such as E, N. That is E. The formula of the entire coordination entity, whether charged or not, is enclosed in square brackets. When ligands are polyatomic, their formulas are enclosed in parentheses like that: NH3. There should be no space between the ligands and the metal within a coordination sphere. When the formula of a charged coordination entity is to be written without that of the counter ion, the charge is indicated outside the square bracket as right superscript, like this. The square bracket as a right superscript with the number before the sign. Naming of mononuclear coordination compounds. The following rules are used when naming coordination compounds. The cation is named first in both positively and negatively charged coordination entity. The ligands are named in an alphabetical order before the name of central atom or ion. Third, names of the anionic ligands end in O. Those of neutral and cationic ligands are the same except aqua for H2O, amine for NH3, carbonyl for CO, nitrosyl for NO. While writing the formula of coordination entity, these are enclosed in bracket or parenthesis. Prefixes mono, di, tri, etc. are used to indicate the number of the individual ligands in the coordination entity. When the names of the used when the name of ligands include a numerical prefix, then the terms bis, tris, tetrakis are used. The ligand in which the refer being placed in parenthesis. For example, NiCl2 PPH whole thrice is named as dichlorido bis triphenyl phosphine nickel second. Oxidation state of the metal in cation, anion or neutral coordination entity is indicated by Roman numeral in parenthesis. If the complex ion is a cation, see here, the metal is named Sm, the element. For example, cobalt in a complex cation is called cobalt and Pt is called platinum. If the complex ion is an anion, the name of the metal ends with the suffix "ate". For example, here cobalt is called cobaltate. For some metals and Latin names are used in the complex anions, for example, ferrate for Fe. You have to learn these specially. If our complex entity is neutral, then it will be named similar to that of the complex cation. Try to solve formula as well as nomenclature in your NCERT text and back portion. This will give you a nice result. Rest, very important. Isomers we will study in video 3. Wait for that. Subscribe, like and share ePrayas for the help of student. Thank you for watching. When chapter will complete, I will provide you a sheet for board preparation.